What if I told you you could create a digital twin of yourself that looks like you, talks like you, and even moves like you? And what if you could do all of that with only recording a 15-second video of yourself? And from all of that, you can even then swap out your outfits and your backgrounds. And I'll even show you how you can translate your video into any language you want. And would you be shocked if I told you that this entire video you've been watching was actually my AI digital twin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your very own hyper-realistic AI avatar using HeyGen's new Avatar 5, which is just released. And the best part is, once it's set up, you might never need to film again. Sounds pretty cool, right? Well, before we jump into the meat of it, I do want to quickly say, if you are new to AI and want to learn how to master all the best tools to create content for your brand or yourself, or you just want to stay ahead of the curve, we are about to launch our AI community, which you can check out in the description down below. But with all that said, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first up, you want to head over to HeyGen and log in to your account. Now, if you don't already have one, you can actually get started on their free plan, which is absolutely insane. As you can see, I'm currently on the creator one, but here you have the free one and you can create up to 3 videos a month, videos up to 1 minute. And then you can also create your own custom avatars. The only downside is that you're doing 720p exports, but to be honest, it's free, so you can't complain. But we've been on the creator plan for over 2 years now, and we've grown our second account to 196,000 followers. And this account is 100% a HeyGen clone, which is absolutely insane. And of course, if you want the link to HeyGen, it will be in the description down below. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, you want to head over to the avatar section, which you can see right here. And then from here, you can see that I'm already logged into my account. So we've got my avatar here. But if you haven't got this already, you can just go ahead and click on create avatar. Now you'll see that you have 2 options, clone a real person or a virtual character. We of course want the most realistic one, so we're going to do clone a real person. From here, you can go ahead and upload or create your avatar in 15 seconds, which is absolutely insane. So you can record a video on your webcam or on your phone, or you can just go ahead and upload your footage. Now, quick note, you don't actually need to have good lighting and good audio anymore, because HeyGen has absolutely killed it, because with this update, you can upload any random footage and it will make your avatar look super realistic. However, if you are a bit of a perfectionist like I am, I want the best quality avatars I can make. So what I've gone ahead and done, if I can grab it, is recorded this quick video before I filmed. So if we go ahead and give it a play, you can see that I'm talking. The video is 26 seconds because, like I said, we only need 15 seconds now. Before we needed about 2 to 5 minutes of footage, but now we only need this much. So what we're going to go ahead and do is drag and drop this into here. I'm just going to call this one Seb Test. Then we're going to go ahead and click on create avatar. It's then going to upload your footage, and HeyGen will capture your face, your voice, and even your mannerisms. Now this video will be used as your base avatar. Now it's going to bring you into this page on your next step. And here you'll see that you actually have to verify your avatar. So if we click here, you then have to turn on your camera and your mic and then say 8 HeyGen 9. It'll be different for you. Then start the recording, and then it will verify your avatar. Now, because I don't actually have a webcam on this computer, we're going to quickly swap over to the avatars on my main profile. And I uploaded this guy right here, which is the video that we just uploaded. So we can go ahead and open this up and skip the verification process. Now you have one more option before you actually start and go ahead to create your avatar, and that is actually modifying your voice. So here you can see that we've got my voice, and this is just trained off of the footage that we have. Now I do recommend you go ahead and create a new voice. You can do this via 11 Labs or voice design inside of HeyGen, but you can also start your instant clone voice right here. And basically this is going to get you to record a quick section here, which is about 1 minute long. And basically it's giving you a bunch of different keywords that you can talk about. You can of course upload your own audio here as well. And this will basically allow your HeyGen to basically speak exactly how you want. So if you felt like you weren't speaking enthusiastic enough in your actual video, here you can actually go ahead and train your own voice so it actually sounds a lot like you. But you can also skip this step because I'm going to show you another step where you can actually make your voice sound even better, and that's by using your own voice, but I'll show you that in just a second. Now, once you're in this page, you want to make sure that you are selecting Avatar 5 as the model that you're using to create your videos. But now essentially your avatar is ready to use. You have a bunch of awesome features like remove the background, add a different color, or you can even go ahead and customize it. But the main important or really cool feature is that you can actually go ahead and create your new looks. So if you remember at the start of this video, I told you you can swap out your clothing and your background. Well, in order to access this, if you haven't seen it on this page already, you basically want to make sure that you're selected on avatar here. And then from here, you can go ahead and click. Then you'll see that you have your design with AI. And from here, you'll see you have a bunch of different templates that you can actually go ahead and click on. So let's say I wanted to create one like this. I can select remix look. It's then going to take my base footage and then it's going to start generating a new look. So we can click on view here. It'll start generating, and once that's ready, I can go ahead and click on it. You can, of course, upload or create your own design. So here I could basically ask it to turn me into a studio like this. Or what I can also do is if I go back, I can basically just upload a look here. So if we scroll down a little bit here, you can see we have a bunch of different clones that I've gone ahead and created in a bunch of different scenarios. I just used Nano Banana to do this, and to do this, I uploaded an image of my face and I basically described exactly what I wanted, and then it created these backgrounds right here. But I digress. So let's go ahead and actually start creating our first HeyGen video. So once again, I want to reiterate, before you actually go ahead and create your first video, make sure that you are selecting the Avatar 5. This is HeyGen's new AI avatar model, and it generates much more realistic facial expressions and body movements. Now, what's super cool is if you actually decide to use one of these new looks, which is based off of an image, so let's use this one that I designed earlier. If we go back, you can actually see you now have this advanced settings. So what this is basically allowing you to do is choosing one of your videos that you've already filmed and then copying the motion as a reference. Now this is super useful if you actually want to use your avatar to match a specific style or movement that you've uploaded previously. So I'll do a quick test at the end of this video showing you this in action, but let's actually go ahead and swap back to the avatar that we just created right here. And now we're going to go ahead and generate our first video. So you do have two options. The first option is you can just type out what you want. So we could say like, hey, my name is Seb. Now what this is going to do is when you go ahead and hit generate, it's actually going to use the voice that you have from this video and this voice that is selected, and then it's going to go ahead and create that video for you. Now the second method, which I think is probably the best method, but it does require a little bit of extra time, is you actually want to go ahead and upload an audio of your actual voice in the exact same tone that you want. So if we go ahead and delete this, we can go ahead and click on upload audio. We can click here, then go to my downloads. Here we have my audio clip. Go ahead and click on open. It's going to start uploading this audio. And then once that is uploaded, we can go ahead and click on add audio. Now you see this is a 6-second clip. Here it says you now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate whatever you want. So let's go ahead and copy this. We can then go ahead and hit on generate, and we'll call this test 1. Here you can choose your resolution, so 1080p or 4K or 720, your FPS and your format. You want to make sure you disable the HeyGen watermark so you don't have that. And then you can go ahead and click on submit. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm also going to generate a version using the text. So we're going to use the exact same text of this audio. And then the second version after that, I'm then going to use this image right here using the audio that I've uploaded so you can see the side-by-side comparison. So here we have the first version, which is going to be me as well as my own audio recording, which we can see on screen right now. You now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate videos whenever you want. This version is going to be the entire HeyGen system. So it's going to be using its own voice from my video, using text to speech, and here we can see it. You now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate videos whenever you want. And then this third version is going to be that image that we just created using my actual audio, so you can see what that looks like. You now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate videos whenever you want. Now I do also want to give you another comparison because HeyGen does have photo avatars. So this one is basically just a photo of myself using my audio, so you can actually see what this looks like compared to the newest version. So let's give this a quick watch. You now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate videos whenever you want. But there you have it. You now have a digital twin of yourself that can generate videos whenever you want. Now I want to preface that this is absolutely amazing, especially if you want to create multi-angle long form quality, because this is going to hold up across the full long form video. It's not just for short clips anymore. Now, if you do want to go ahead and translate your videos into any language, it is actually extremely simple. What you want to do is head over back to the home page, and then you can click on this translation button. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on new video, then translate video, and then we can do video dubbing or audio dubbing. Because we're doing a video, we're going to do this one. Now you can go ahead and upload any YouTube or Google Drive link, or you can go ahead and upload your own video. So if we go ahead and upload this clip right here, you'll see that it then starts to upload. You have a few options here. You have speed, which basically does it super quickly, or you have precision, which does it a lot better. Of course, I always recommend this one. It does cost double the credits, but it will have the best outputs. Now you can of course go ahead and trim your video. So if we cut it down to 3 seconds, for example, hit on done, you'll see it then reduces your credits down to 1, which is super awesome. Now to finish off, you just need to go ahead and select your language. Here you can see you've got an abundance of languages that you can pick from, and you can even see more languages and accents here. Now we're just going to go ahead and type in French because I actually speak French, so I'll understand it. Now from here, you can go ahead and click on review and edit. This will bring it back into the editor so you can fine tune it. But because we're just translating this simple video, we can go ahead and click on translate. And with the power of editing, this is what it sounds like.
Et si je vous disais que vous pouviez créer un jumeau numérique de vous-même qui vous ressemble, parle.
Now, before we finish off, I do want to quickly highlight HeyGen's new video agent because they just released a new upgrade and it is absolutely insane. What this does is it basically allows you to add your avatar. You can pick a style and then you can describe what video you want. And HeyGen is going to create everything for you. So in order to do this, you can select your avatar. Here you can see we've got a bunch of different avatars here. If we use me, for example, and then the avatar that we just used for this video, you then select the style here, and you've got a bunch of different ones like retro, pop culture, and cinematic. If you actually hover on top of these, you can see what this style looks like. And then if you click on that, it will actually apply that style. Now you don't have to use them, but they are there if you want. Now from here, you can basically just describe your video. So for example, you could say something like create and explain a video about XYZ, or create a social video talking about whatever you want. This will basically create the video for you as soon as you hit generate. And I'm not just talking about the avatar, it's actually going to go ahead and create motion graphics for you, B-roll, music, and you can of course customize this in the editor once it has made your video. Now do let me know if you want a full video covering this because it is pretty insane, but there you go. That's how you can go ahead and create the most realistic AI avatars of yourself using HeyGen's brand new Avatar 5 feature. I also showed you how you can translate your videos into any language, and also a quick demo on the video agent. Now, if you do want to try HeyGen for yourself, we've left the link in the description down below so you can check that out. And if you do want to see more AI tools just like this, be sure to subscribe because we test the newest AI tools every single week. And of course, if you do want to learn how to master all the best AI tools, then be sure to check out my AI community down below. We're going to be launching in the next week or two, and it's going to be absolutely insane. Anyway, I'll see you in the next one.